This is Luis Martin, the art engineer, and that was Doña Y. Do you know her? Know who she is. So, I got mail. Can I? Listen, you don't need my address, but if you want to send me a letter, go for it. But if you can send anyone a letter, I get so much joy. Hey, Rocket Ship from mail. And I just sent you some mail, actually, Rocket Ship. We should be getting it soon. Check this out. So, my dear pen pal, Charlie Welsh, sent me this. Look what it says. ¿Qué tal, Cami? Mira lo que me mandaron. It says sparkle. And look what's in the back. Actual glitter. Oh my god. Like, what? Who needs drugs? Like, glitter. Alright, so thank you, Charlie. I'm gonna be sending you something your way. Alright, so a lot of stuff. Hey, Elvis, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Hey. Okay, I can't see my prompter because I have a prompter in the back because we're that high tech. So what are we talking about today? So it's Collage Happy Hour. I just want to make something clear. It's happy yay, not happy like gurr. This is not vodka anymore. We're cool. So something that I'm doing is this artist, my friend Tama Dister, artist from New Orleans, hey Karen, invited me to do Febrelage. Have you heard of Febrelage? You know Febrelage. I did Septemberlage, and every day there's a prompt to create something. So for Febrelage, I'm jumping into it. I started on the 1st. Today's prompt is joy. So I'm gonna mix my Febrelage with, of course, our Valentine's collage. Hey, Mr. Wood, you got yours. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Don't use yours yet. With the prompt for today for Febrelage. It's kind of chunky to say Febrelage. Today's prompt is hashtag
Joy.
All right, so let's do this. So I have my substrate. So when I think of joy, can I tell you what I think of when I think of joy? Today I'm all about books. Okay, so this is a Bernini book. Bernini, amazing. This, when I think of joy, and I'm super dramatic, which is why I'm wearing a scarf today, this is what I think about when I think of joy. So this is Santa Teresa and ecstasy. And to me, those rays, these rays of ecstasy is joy. So today, that's how I'm gonna personify joy, right? Okay, so I'm not gonna cut up the Bernini book as much as I want to, but what I am gonna do is I'm going to think about these rays. So it's really easy. I'm gonna use some of the stuff from in here. Like I said, never throw anything away, keep it all. So I'm gonna kind of branch out and like go, right? Like a starburst or something. So let's go. How are you, Elvis?
Great today.
Are you really?
Yes.
That was sincere. All right, so when I start this starburst, I think I'm gonna do it kind of like a compass, you know, north, south, east, and west, just to give me something to follow. All right, you guys, so I'm really excited because the Paper Valentine collage workshops are just about filled. We're gonna do them, and I'm really happy because we have some really great artists coming in. So if you missed it, don't worry, there's more to come. Really excited about that. Oh, this is that weird song. It's so bizarre. Okay, so today I'm gonna be really loosey-goosey about it and just use this because I don't want to be precious about it. Joy should be like, right? Just joy. So I'm just gonna use this guy and not worry about staying in any lines. This is a really good tool. It's from Scotch. So I'm gonna start with the whole like kind of like east. Oh yeah, no, not today. So I have tons of stuff, right? And I have. Sometimes you get stuck and you're like, oh, I don't feel like cutting out a rose. So you know what? You don't have to do any of that to get your collage going. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of cut this into quadrants and have that be these beautiful rays. Because again, this is a beautiful image. It's not too hard to make beauty out of beauty, right? So even that's kind of interesting, right? So check this out. Cut it into quadrants. What if this becomes So something, or how about if we do that? Okay, you saw how I'm flipping the script right there? That's kind of fun. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just playing. Just playing. So maybe I make something really ugly today and you guys can let me know. But we're just playing. What else is going on with you, Elvis? What are you gonna bake for Valentine's Day? Something red, something black.
Valentine's is usually something with chocolate. So I'm thinking something chocolatey, fruity, maybe with strawberries.
Strawberries. You know what I like? Île flottante. Has anybody ever had an île flottante? It's the most amazing thing in the world. And then, so if you have your paper Valentines, you get these guys here, and I think I'm gonna add some of these guys. All right, so I'm getting ready for the new Collage Kit cover art, and yesterday we did some voting, and it was unanimous. The cover of the new Collage Kit is from day 2 from Valentine. It's called Love and Divine Time, you guys. Check this out. It's this one. So this one won. Isn't that awesome? So the whole thing is about, to me, it's like this love story about these 2 little birds, and the prompt was triangle. So to me, like the triangle, it's a sacred symbol, right? It's a sacred shape. It's the base of something amazing, like the pyramids. So that's gonna be the cover. So if you subscribe, I got some really exciting stuff happening in there. All right, so let's go crazy.
So Rocket Ship is saying, what are your plans for Valentine's Day?
Workshop. We're gonna make some fun art. Actually, those are the 2 days before. Okay, fine. I don't know. Every day's Valentine's with all this, right?
Of course.
I'm sticking to that. All right, so this is really ugly, you guys, but it's about kind of creating patterns all over, right? So I'm just gonna use everything I have, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, and you're gonna see that this is just gonna come together. You gotta trust. And this was kind of unplanned. I'll show you what I did for Joy actually in a minute. And look, if you got the collage kit, you can also just use this to collage, right? You don't need to be precious. And actually, I'm gonna use this guy too. I don't want to be precious about it though. Or do I? Like, look, isn't that like done? So I'm not gonna take the easy way out. I'm gonna show you how to do something. If you did this ray, maybe let's continue a little bit more on the rays, and then I'll show you how to pull it together because it's gonna be really simple. Look, I have these circles that I just kind of precariously made. And it's okay if we cover stuff up. Or even better, what if we cut them in half? So it's all about creating interesting shapes and contrast. I don't know, I like that. So I'm just having fun here. That's kind of weird, right? That's kind of neat. Yeah. So the one that I did for my Instagram as far as Joy is actually an angel, and she's covering her eyes, or actually angels don't have genders, so they are covering their eyes. And the idea behind that was because when you have faith, your joy leads you, and you're never afraid, you're never second guessing anything, you're just following your joy. So that's my joy. What's yours? Okay. And then I'd love a little contrast. So I have this. Oh my god, I love this music. So again, now I get to be a little bit crazier. Just kind of put it anywhere I want. So I have a really, really, really fancy toy that my friend Aaron told me about to make circles. It's this. Okay, this is amazing. You can make amazing circles with this. I don't know what it's called. It's called a circle maker. So you put it down and you go around. Very cool, very awesome. But let's say you don't have Amazon where you are. What do you use? An old CD, Let It Snow. This was in the good old times when you can buy CDs at Starbucks. All right, well, I have mine, and I'm gonna use this as a template. I mean, look at that, isn't that beautiful? You can get inspired just from this alone. All right, so I'm gonna get some black paper. Whoops, or not, but the black paper's gonna get me. And I'm gonna use this as a template. And hopefully I won't mess it up because I really do like this CD. For this, I like to stand. All right. So CDs, dishes, they all make really good templates for circles. Voila. Okay. So that was really messy, but look what I have. I have scissors so I can finesse it. So the idea is that, but it's all right. You can be messy. And then, you know what's the best? You can always hide it. So this is joy, because it's bursting out of here. So what do you do? What can you put in the center? Do you have a picture of a cute guy? And we're back. It got cut. All right, so my question for you was, what are you gonna put in the circle of this beautiful collage that we're doing for joy? Do you have a picture of a hot guy? I do. All right, so you can use your photography, you can use your pictures printed out at Staples or at Rite Aid. This is where I got mine. So I'm gonna cut Mr. Hot Guy over here. Do you guys recognize him? You probably don't because he's always behind the camera. Who is this? Who is it?
Moi.
It's Elvis, you guys. No, it's not a pug. So go through your phone and print some pictures. It's like what, 5 cents a print? So it's really fun to be able to use it for art projects and collages. This is him in the summer with some mural. So I'm really enjoying this right now. And I do like to embarrass my husband whenever I can.
All the time.
Shh. Stop bragging. And then, so that's really fun. So you know what's been happening too? I've been getting a lot of messages on my YouTube channel. And I didn't know I really had a YouTube channel, you guys. I put something up once and left it there for a while. And now it's kind of resonating. So I've been making more. So if you are a YouTube person, check out my channel. I would tell you what it's called, but I'm not even sure. I think it's called Luis Martin, the Art Engineer. But it might be called Studio Confessions. Not sure. Go, let me know. Leave a comment, press a like, I think you do, I don't know. Subscribe, help an old guy out. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, check that out. All right, like what? I'm really happy now. I'm so excited about this. So this was a happy little accident, a happy little thing I found while I was getting ready for today, and I thought, what a perfect opportunity to embarrass Elvis and make something that represents joy. I mean, easy peasy, right? So this took what, all of 5 minutes-ish? So I can keep going, right? I can keep going. I can add what? A little bird. So this is actually, I took a picture of my palette when I was painting. This one would be fun as a circle, I think. Check that out. There we go. I don't know, just play with it and see what happens. Like, look at that, isn't that great? The contrast isn't amazing there, so maybe I'll change it. But look, this is from a wall here in Brooklyn somewhere. I think this might work a little bit better because it's too much white. This is perfect. Maybe we can swap this one out. Yep, there we are. Just one. I don't know, you guys. I like all that black, but okay, that's cool. And then I have a bird, of course. Do I want a bird on it? Oh my God, yes, a bird on his head. So this is what I'm saying. Just be silly, play, Like I said, happy hour as in yay, not happy hour as in booze. All right, let's see if this works. Ooh, jazz. So this is my happy genre of music. Any jazz just picks me up. So I'm also downsizing and I'm getting rid of some books. So I might be selling some books or I might be adding them to the collage kits. Some of them are already ripped, so I don't feel bad ripping them further. Oh my goodness. Hey, what's going on over there? It's been a long time. Okay, here we go. Is he whispering in Elvis's ear? I don't know. So I'm gonna show you the book that I'm gonna get rid of, that I'm probably gonna include in the February collage kit. So if you order yours now, you'll probably get it. And if you've subscribed to the collage kits, you will definitely get it. It's a really beautiful collage diary by this kid in Africa who his parents were explorers or something, and he kind of died. All right, check that out. I love that. And on the side, I'm already making another one. Look at that. Look, that's a great collage in of itself. All right, so see, anytime you start using things that really excite you, the collages just make themselves. So I'm over Elvis. Now I'm gonna play with this bird. And then we can use this guy. And then maybe we can use, oh, look at this. So I have my trusty little box of stuff that I keep. Look at this. Hey, what's going on over there? So look, I made a second collage. So that's the thing. When you set up to play, just kind of allow yourself to spread out and just let your hands go all over the place. Voila. So I made 2 collages today, you guys. This is for fun, made itself. And this one is my joy collage. And who's at the center of my joy? Of course, my best friend over here, Mr. Elvis Infante. And these guys are just the choir. I don't know. I'll show you what I did for the podcast. I'm sorry, not the podcast, the Instagram. So this is one of my many books where I keep all of my collages. So they are safe and sound, and they don't, if they don't sell, I put them in here. But if they do, then they go to you. And this is what I did for my joy. This one. So it's an angel blinding themselves because they're so joyous and they don't have the vision for fear or any question to the beauty that is. Isn't that amazing? Dramatic. I love it. All right, so that's it, you guys. This is my collage. I hope you guys do Februlage. Tomorrow's prompt is window. So I don't know. What are you gonna do with window? Think about it. This is the book. It's called The Journey is the Destination. It's the journals of Dan Eldon. And check this out. So if you order your collage kits, you'll probably get a few pages from here. And it's just a beautiful diary that his parents printed. And they're all collages from safari in Africa, the people he met. It's missing a few pages already, so I don't feel bad chopping it up further, and I would rather it inspire you than just chuck it, right? So let me know what your thoughts are. I am super excited to be collaging. All right, so that's it. Tag me, show me what you did for your Februlage joy or window, which is tomorrow, so make a window. Hey, what's going on, Aaron, over there? All right,